7 days, 10 hours of day, so 70 hours total. We have been disassembling the kotilo, but now it's done, and the last cleaning has to be done. And these clothes that I used for the whole week, they smell a lot and they go to the garbage can. But now we can start building. It was hideous and serious, whatever the word is, job. It took a lot of time. There's still some things that we have to do what are concerning about the legs of the truck camper and also how it's connected to the car, because whole car is connected to the rotten floor. So we need to think about some new ways to attach it.
Jani did excellent work and worked really hard, ripping all the wet wood away. Now I will do some vacuuming here and get all the dust away, and then do some final cleaning with the chlorine. Take all the bacteria away. Holy shit. I'm excited this part is over now and we can finally start rebuilding the camper.
I think we're gonna get like 25 comments that you need to remove the insulation until there's a metal, but I'm against it. I checked from 2 parts from this walls that there's no leakage of water between the metal and the insulation. It's completely water and airproof, airtight. We don't want to break that, because these are sandwich panels that they have made in a factory with the proper tools and proper machinery. You cannot do it here properly. There will be air caps, and when there's air caps in a thin aluminium wall, it will show here. So we don't want that. And it's totally waterproof and airtight. We will scrape everything out of there, clean it properly, then use urethane glue to glue new walls. Yes, now we can continue where we paused the renovation. So starting to paint the truck camper. I have a wood putty, so I will cover all the small holes in here. Sarah uses a special soap to clean all the surfaces so that we can use the primer. There will be a lot of painting in the near days. And also there will be lots of building a new walls and floors. There are some things that need to be considered. These bolts here, which were bolted to the floor, as you can see, they are holding the whole box attached to our Nissan. So we will be disassembling all these bolts and figuring out how we can actually again attach it to the Nissan. So it's not like straightforward just buy new plywood and build a new floor. I was expecting one delay on this, and it's here. The meter says wet, so the corner piece has leaked from here. So we need, I think we're gonna remove this wall completely so we can exchange it. Luckily it's not really a wet. This is still good wood, so there's some moistness in it, but not bad. So I'm gonna take this piece because it ends here and this corner here. So we have one wall that we have to take down, and I'm on underwear. This is not wet, it's a metal. Yeah, you should fix things properly. This amount of water has come seep inside from this corner, and then the capillary will wet the wood. Like, it's just this much in the corner. Now again with the clean clothes. Luckily it was just a minor setback. Like, fist size area was wet, and it's always like a capillary effect comes and it spreads there. Just in case, we took out also this. This showed like 27 or 30 on the count meter, but it was totally dry, and there was no leak like marks on the wood, so it was good. But now we are like taking precautions to take everything out that is might be wet. Finally the demolition is done and we can start renovating the truck camper. As you can see, there's a lot of duct tape everywhere around every window that we have here in the kotilo, because those windows, at least those two, has leaked, so there will be rain, and I don't know if I can get the gaskets for the windows before that. So we have used duct tape to shut every window so we don't get any extra leaks from it. Yes, we are using Tikkurila Otex for the primer for everything, so ceiling, all the cabinets, walls, everything. It's a great product. So you can basically put this in everything from PVC to wood to, I don't know even if metals are okay. But after you have put this, you can put any other paint you like. And it's water based, so you can overpaint it easily. And all the paints stick to this really well. So it's a good primer. We have done a lot of prepping work for the paint, so all these holes needs to be covered. So today's agenda is to start painting from here where the bed is, all the bed area, the little cabinet over here, the ceiling, and then we gonna go here to the upper cabinets, and maybe these walls also around this putty which is there. So we have as much as possible put the primer in.
This is so satisfying. Finally, the fun part. After all those mishaps, we can start decorating part of our new camper. You can see the immediate results. Yeah, this is fun. I like our new home.
And as you can see, all the window frames are gone, so we can start to cover them up so they don't leak anymore. You can hear that sloshing of water in the corner. We were thinking about that. It's the one leak point again, that there's water somewhere inside of this cabinet. Luckily no. This corner piece of the solar panel was full of water, so the sloshing came from there. I'm doing just measurements and planning for the, I think, next week's installation of the solar panels. The glue didn't last. Let's see another one. If this was just Okay, 2 of these pieces are almost off while we were driving 200 kilometers. Because there has been a water inside of these legs, and when water gets this kind of empty or closed space, it will expand and lift off the legs completely. Yeah, you can see there has been water. Decade in the same van living, and now it's sad time.
Emotional but happy, bittersweet. Yeah, saying goodbye to wonderful dear van home.
Yes, there he goes to the new adventures, and it's good that it goes to the owner that will actually go to adventures.
And lives in the van full time, excited for him.
Yes, Jesse, who bought it, we actually met in Spain 4 years ago, I think, and yeah, it's sad to see it goes there. It's really strange to see it goes.
Our home!
But we have a new
chapter in our lives.
Yes, it's been a long road to prepare our new chapter, but it's coming.
This will be an epic summer.
Yes.